this is your host Sharmila and welcome back to our channel Sharmila's Kitchen. Today I am going to be making one of our favorite recipes, that is none other than Bhetki Macher Paturi, which is a Bengali style fish wrap. So basically the fish is coated with mustard based sauce, wrapped and then steamed or pan fried. Generally we use banana leaf to wrap the fish, but what if the banana leaf is not accessible? In that case, Eco Bake is the healthy, convenient and hassle-free option. So today we are gonna wrap gorgeous fish in a Eco Bake instead of banana leaf. The masala or marinade will be exactly same as Macher Paturi. So let's get started. First, marinate the Bhetki fish with turmeric and salt. Bhetki is the Bengali name of the fish, but it is also popularly known as barramundi or Asian sea bass in the local market. You can also make with any other fish. Now rub in spices and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will be making a mustard paste and I will share some tips to make it bitterless and perfect. First, in a blender jar, put in yellow mustard and black mustard, poppy seeds, and I'm gonna blend it dry without water. This will help the mustard paste to be smooth. Now soak the mustard powder with water for 10 minutes. This way mustard will absorb most of the moisture quickly and then it will be easy to blend smooth. After 10 minutes, add turmeric powder, salt, yogurt, chilies. This is our home ground chili, freshly grated coconut or dry coconut powder in case you don't have the fresh one. Now add mustard oil little bit and red chili powder. Give it a blend till smooth. So while making mustard paste, most of the people complain that their mustard paste becomes so bitter that they can't enjoy the dish. So if you make the mustard paste this way, the bitterness will be removed. Now add the mustard blend to the fish and another 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to bring the sharp and pungent flavor in the recipe. Mix well and keep aside. Cut a piece of Audi Eco Bake. Place a tablespoon of mustard paste in the center of the paper. Put 2 pieces of fish on it. Add a slitted green chilies on it, and this green chili will bring fresh and nice flavor to the wrapped fish. Now wrap all the sides. Make sure the piece of paper is enough big to cover all the sides. Secure the wrap with cotton thread. The best part is that the paper didn't get soaked by the moisture. Now let's prepare the steamer. Put water in a saucepan. Once boiled, put the fish parcel on a sieve. Cover the pan and steam for 15 minutes. You can avail this amazing and useful Eco Bake on Amazon. The link will be given in the description below, but you can get it completely free because I have a special giveaway for you. You just need to follow the simple rules that is shown on the screen. Rule number 1. Comment what you would like to make using Audi Unwraps and Eco Bake. 1 entry per person is allowed. Rule number 3. Like and share this video. Rule number 4. Subscribe to both YouTube channels Sharmila's Kitchen and Audi Unwraps. So grab the opportunity right now. You can also pan fry or bake the fish. After cooking, give it 10 minutes standing time so that the steam got settled. Then serve it. Let me show you if the fish is cooked perfectly or not. The fish is really soft, cooked and perfectly seasoned, and the pan fry fish got a slightly roasted flavor. So our fish parcel is ready to serve. Serve it with steamed rice and enjoy. People often use foil paper to wrap the food, but it can contaminate our food and can lead to serious illness and medical complications in the long term. Whereas Eco Bake is food safety certified, eco-friendly and multi-purpose paper. It can be used in baking and cooking. You can also use it in an oven, steamer, air fryer, toaster and even on the pan. So guys, do try out this recipe and I wish you guys win the exclusive gift hampers from Audi Unwrap. Finger crossed and all the best. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and bye.